guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So definitely growing up, one of my favorite desserts was a banana pudding, and I really love quick and easy recipes, and I'm going to give you an easy recipe for a banana pudding. So if you want to see how I make it or how to make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. I really appreciate the support. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay, you guys, I'm back with another very simple recipe, and I really hope you enjoy it, and I really hope I get it up in time before Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the amazing mothers out there. So as you can see, I'm going to measure out 2 cups of vanilla wafers, and now I'm going to put them in a Ziploc plastic bag. And now I'm just going to close up the plastic bag, making sure that it's sealed up completely. And now I'm going to take my hands and just crush the vanilla wafers. Now once the vanilla wafers are crushed completely, I'm just going to set it to the side, and now I'm going to get started on the next steps. So right now I'm going to peel 3 bananas, and I'm going to take a knife and just chop them up. Now once your bananas are already sliced up, you just want to put them in a medium-sized bowl, because what you want to do is you want to grab a potato masher and begin smashing up your bananas. Now once your bananas are smashed up, you want to set that to the side, because right now I'm going to measure out a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk, and I'm going to add it to a separate bowl with 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a hand mixer and mix both the cream cheese and the condensed milk together, and it's just going to make it so much more easier. And now I'm going to take the bananas that I smashed up earlier, and I'm going to add it to the condensed milk cream cheese mixture. And now just take a spoon or rubber spatula and just combine and mix everything together. So I'm just going to set this to the side for a few minutes because I'm going to make some fresh whipped cream. So right now I just took my bowl and my mixing blades out of the freezer, because that's what I like to do when I make some fresh whipped cream. And right now I'm going to measure out 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to add that to my bowl. So now I'm going to take my hand mixer and begin whipping some air into the heavy cream until it becomes light and fluffy. Okay, so I'm done whipping my cream, and look how light and fluffy that looks. It looks amazing. So to add some flavor, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla to my whipped cream. And so right now I'm going to take a rubber spatula and begin folding the vanilla into the whipped cream. And so right now I'm going to add the bananas, the cream cheese, condensed milk mixture into the whipped cream. And again, I'm just going to take the rubber spatula and begin folding everything together. And the reason I'm going to fold is because I want to make sure that the whipped cream stays light and fluffy. And now I'm just going to let this sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm ready to start building up my banana pudding parfait, and I have some cute little glass mugs. Obviously, you can use whatever mugs that you have handy, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to add some of those crushed vanilla wafers that I crushed up earlier, and I'm going to top it off with 1 layer of the whipped cream mixture. And now I'm just going to add another layer of crushed vanilla wafers, and you can just add as much as you like. And now I'm going to put another topping of the whipped cream. And at the very top, I'm just going to sprinkle in some of those crushed vanilla wafers. I'm going to add 2 slices of bananas. And you know what, let me go ahead and put another couple of vanilla wafers on top just so that you know exactly what's in it. And that's what it looks like, you guys. Really simple, really easy, super delicious. So let's finish making the last parfait. Just a really simple dessert that you can enjoy this Mother's Day or any time of the year. But that is it, you guys. We are done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.